Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard, your host for this pre-market session. And each morning we'll be watching these volume spike columns. For anything that may be spiking, we want to see this green number rising in percentage. And once it's rising in percentage, we want to come over and confirm that we have enough volume to get in and get out safely. It's not a specific number. It's just that we want to have high volume flow in the current candle. This label represents the current candle. Once we confirm the volume, we want to make sure that over here in Dominator Master, we have these green bars, which are buyers breaking above the average yellow volume line. And we want to see the My Blessing indicator turning upwards north. In other words, the green part of these bars are buyers, the red part are sellers. The green part of this line is buyers and the red part is sellers. So if we see a spike and we click on it, we confirm the volume. If we have bars breaking above the yellow average volume line and this indicator is moving north, that's when you want to make your decision to get in or not. Also, if you are new here, make sure that you trade on paper. Attend these live streams over and over until you get sick of watching them, at least until you catch on. But on paper, write down your entry, your exit, and your results. Once you become profitable on paper, then move over to real money, but trade small share size, 1 to 10 shares. If you are profitable with real money, the only thing you need to do to increase your profit is increase your share size. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I build indicators and teach you how to use these indicators, which also teach you how to trade, enter the market, take a profit, and get out. It's all due to the fact that we scalp stocks for quick profits. So you have to pay attention each morning, watch what we do, especially if you're new, and make sure that you reach out to a financial advisor if you've never done that before. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Like I said, I build indicators and teach them. So make sure you reach out to the proper authorities before you take any of my advice or use any of my indicators. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. Welcome all the new members. Thank you for joining us and welcome home. And good morning, YouTubers. And make sure in your active trader, your time in force is selected to EXT, which stands for extended hours. Seen a couple of things moving around this morning, nothing really running yet. Hopefully we'll have a better day than some of the days we've had this week. Yesterday, not too bad. We did pull some money out of the market. Hopefully we're near a bottom and might see some slight rally, hopefully. About a minute to go before the market opens at the top of the hour. About 10 seconds to go. If you're new here, the stocks that are moving usually will jump to the top of these scans. So it's not like you have to watch all the way down the list. And here we go. Let's see what happens. Not seeing anything spiking at the moment. We have some numbers, but they are not rising. This is rare. Magic scan is empty. Yeah, I'm here in CYCU. I think it's a cheaper stock. I'm not scanning under $1 this morning, but it is moving. Currently at 87 cents. We're watching these dominator bars, nice and tall green buyers. We do have some profit taking going on. This indicator is pointing north. This is the kind of volume you want to see, steady flow. More buyers coming in. Watch for red here to get out. You always want to sell some of your shares on the way up. Don't hang on to them to the end, or somebody may sell all of them on top of you, and then you lose all your profit. I lowered my magic scan down to 50 cents so we can pick up those cheaper stocks over here. Pushing up now to 92. Lots of buyers coming in. Remember to sell at the top of these candles for your maximum profit. You don't have to sell all of them, but you can sell most of them. Leave a little bit hanging there in case it goes higher. If it doesn't, sell the rest. Might get a retest back up to the red line before pulling down, or it might not quite make it there. Profit taking going on. Good job, Mr. P. Good job, Greg B. Nice little profit for a cheaper stock. Of course, I didn't play it. I'm talking about the profit you made. I've seen a quick spike up here on TRNR. This stock moved yesterday. Looks like it may be getting active this morning, or maybe not. Not enough volume to trade it. IONQ. Checking the volume is very low. That does not mean it won't pick up. We'll look at it for a minute or two or less. We don't see the buyers coming in, we will move on. Doesn't look like they're very interested. Might be a play here on CYCU. Buyers coming back in. We need this indicator to turn around first. Don't chance it here, in other words. Never chase the tops until it's confirmed. BTAI. Bouncing around a little bit. Doesn't have a whole bunch of volume, but may pick up. Thank you, Goldfinger. Not looking too promising. Continually watching this volume spike indicator for numbers that may start rising. I don't know why, but I kind of feel like a breakout may be fixing to come here. I could be wrong. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. A little bit slow this morning. Patience is key here. Wait for the stock to come to us. Play it as hard as you can afford and get out of it. CYCU trying to break out. I guess my gut feeling was kind of correct. Buyers coming in. My blessing coming up off the bottom. Look like we're struggling a bit, though. U4 I do buy below the yellow line, but rarely. The strongest move is going to be when both lines are above the yellow. You are welcome. U4, it all depends on the action of the stock and the buyers and sellers. So yes, sometimes that can happen as well. Like right now, it's below the white line. But if the buyers start coming in, I may take a play before these two lines cross. I try to catch as much of the upward run as I can. Good job, Terry. BTAI taking off. Thank you, Terry, for that post. Looks like a rough ride so far, though, so be careful. The buyers could keep it going and keep pushing. Buyers coming back in. Let's see if the buyers are strong enough to push it back up to this red line for a retest. I'm watching this volume. It's pausing every now and then. It's not a strong run upwards. Little sluggish here. Prayer City, there's a label up at the top of the chat where you're typing in the white and yellow one. You click that to join our Discord and then upgrade off of the Discord. Gives you access to everything but a couple of the premium indicators. And soon we will be moving over to our website that's been being built for the last, 6 months. I think we're rounding that number. The SPY has pulled back to the pre-market low. Neo pushing up a little bit here, checking the volume. Not good. Not a good strong volume flow on this one. Looking like a one and done trade. I'm watching TSLL over on another chart, another monitor. Still kind of weak. RDGT. Make sure you check volume on them if you post them. Because if there's not a lot of volume flow, then we're not interested in it. There's not enough people, traders in here to get in and get out safely. You buy a low volume stock, you're stuck in it until somebody wants to buy what you're selling. If we don't have the volume flow, we can't play them. YHC, checking the volume, is extremely low. Probably just a 1 or 2 time bounce. Hopefully the buyers find it, start coming in. Looked like the sellers found it before the buyers. CMRX, this must be either a stock split or a buyout offer to have a gap that big. It's a buyout offer. Thank you for confirming. Yeah, but the problem with a buyout is they offer a per share price, so it's probably not going much further than where it is right here. Why pay more? Yeah, $8.55 buyout price. We are already there. It's not a play. GXAI spiking up. Let's see what happens. Checking the volume is okay so far. Looks like it may pull down though. Watching these bars, need buyers to come in. We don't want to see any red at this point. So we do have some profit takers in that group. Pulling it right back down. If you are wondering what this label is, this is the percentage of buyers and sellers in this candle. Of course, we want to see it green to go up. And the magic number here is 80%. Once it exceeds 80%, it'll move the price in either direction. Been clicking on some really awful looking charts. Don't think I'm going to trust them when they look like that. Like they're all struggling this morning. RDGT pushing higher. It's already up here at resistance. It's a one candle spike. Looking at the volume, did not have a lot of volume on the previous candle. Starting to pick up here on the current candle. Watching for buyers and sellers over here. This indicator looks good. Need a tall green bar here. Don't look like we're going to get it. It's acting like the rest of the stocks. I click on them. They had spiked up. I click on them. They pull right back down. Bunch of one-hit wonders this morning. Watching these bars closely for buyers to come in and push it higher. Volume is still low. Was watching ARBB early this morning. Didn't have any faith in it and still don't. YHC still bouncing around. We need a good A+ setup. We need the volume up. We need the indicators in the proper position. And we need some large spike numbers. Till we get that, I'm not clicking the mouse. OKLO spiking up. Another one candle play. No volume. BTAI getting a little bit of attention here. Nice tall green buyer bar. My blessing may be turning north. It did. We need another green bar to keep pushing it up. We need this volume to increase dramatically. It's kind of very low and slow. Don't think I would take this trade, even though I'll probably leave money there, but I want to be able to get out if I purchase a large amount of shares. Volume is picking up now. Unfortunately, it's from sellers. Good job, Terry. Good job, Milo. Good job, Tony. Good job, Milo. I'm looking for that big runner. We haven't had one this morning. These one candle hits don't do it for me. CYCU making another effort at it, but it's probably going to stall right here, right at the yellow line. BTAI, a little bit of spike, probably nothing to really trade yet. Don't like the chart on YHC. Too much resistance, a lot of sellers, a lot of tall wicks on the top. Probably not going to get much higher than where it is now. And the volume just died. DB may be getting some volume here. Let's see what happens. This may catch the attention of a few investors. Volume's not flowing like we want it to flow yet. Seems to be some buyers coming into this stock for some reason. Not seeing much selling going on. They're coming in very slowly. Now we got some profit taking. Guess they're tired of waiting on it to run. All right, YouTubers, I appreciate you joining me this morning. That free hour is up. I will be live again on Friday to help you try to make a little bit more money. This morning, kind of sluggish. Only a couple of plays, small plays this morning. But anyhow, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're interested in joining us, there's a label at the top of the chat where you've been typing. The white and yellow one, click it, join our Discord, then upgrade, and you will get over 60 plus scans, over 30 plus indicators. There is a couple of premium indicators, only 2, that are an extra purchase. This is one of them. The other one is Dominator Master, or Master Scalper. Let me correct that. But other than that, you'll get me 4 hours a day, sometimes 5. It all depends on the day. You'll get Milo's training as well. He's usually live every day, but he's feeling a little ill this week, so we'll give him a break. But I appreciate you joining me this morning. God bless to each and every one of you. I will see you on Friday.